Where are you gonna go? You gonna go for a ride in your automobile? All right. This is like some, oh yeah, it's good to signal before you get started. Going for a ride in your automobile. This is like the live action camera with the helmet cam. Oh my goodness. Vroom, vroom. Honk the horn. Brody, honk your horn. Turn on the keys in the ignition. Honk the horn. You want me to take your... Do you want to put on your Dodger hat? Do you want to put on the Dodgers hat? Beth, you want me to pull you? And they're off! Yay! Hi. You ready to go out? Brody, what do you think of driving around in your convertible on a hot summer day? All right, bye everybody.